Hazrat Qatada has reported from Hazrat Anas radiyallahu anhu. The people asked Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam questions, and when the question session lasted long, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam got displeased, mounted the pulpit and said, "Today you don't ask me anything, but I will tell you about that." Hazrat Anas radiyallahu anhu say, I then looked at my right and left side to see everyone weeping, hiding his head in the cloth. So a man whom the people associated with someone else, his father, submitted, "O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, who is my father?" He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Huzaifa." Thereafter Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu took initiative and submitted. We are pleased at Allah's Jalla Jalaluhu being our Lord, Islam our religion, and Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam our apostle. We seek Allah's refuge against the trials. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam thereupon said, "I have never ever seen good and evil in this way as today. Undoubtedly, I have been shown paradise and hell even beyond this wall." Qatada, while narrating this hadith, would recite this verse, "O believers, are not such things which, if disclosed to you, may displease you." Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 6362.